Okay, so check it out. This is going to be my first video test. A lot of you know that I'm really passionate about riding my motorcycle, and 2018 Road Glide there. I'll show you a closer picture in a bit. But the point of going out tonight was just to check the sound. I mounted my GoPro on the front of my HJC helmet. I'll show you a picture of it real quick. And then I'm going to go out for a ride and see if I can't track down a couple of my buddies. I think I know where to find them. So, well, that's Super View. So we're going to give it a ride and see what happens. Gonna go catch up with my buddies Roger and Jeff, who in typical fashion are headed to a cigar shop to buy some stogies. Let's go see if we can't hunt them down and find out what's going on. Here we go. Close the visor over, see if that makes the sound less. It's a brand new setup, so I'm not exactly sure how the audio is going to work here, but we'll find out in just a bit. Wind test. See if there's a difference between visor open and visor closed. Alright, check back. Uno momento. Before I meet up with Jeff and Roger, I'm going to swing into Tarjay and see if I can pick up that Velcro adhesive backing stuff to stick on the mic adapter that you are forced into buying with GoPro. So we'll see how that works. Right now it's just literally hanging down off the side of my helmet. You can't see it. Pretty dorky, but we're just testing things out right now anyway, so we'll see what this all looks like. Alright, Velcro is installed on the bike. I am in lovely town center of El Dorado Hills, California. Let's go see if we can find my buddies out in front of the cigar shop. It's homecoming dance night. There they are. How'd I know? What's up, boys? You guys saved the parking spot for me? How you doing, man? I'm mic'd up. I'm doing a little test run here. Yeah, I'm doing a little test run. I can. That's the mic adapter. That's the only way you can plumb audio into a GoPro. All right. Well, so far, looking back on some of the footage just right there on the camera, just sitting there with Jeff and Roger, it actually looked pretty good. It wasn't too bad. It sounded pretty good too. Might have to do something with the wind noise. I don't know. I'm gonna leave the camera on going up the highway this time and see how that sounds. Beautiful sunset. Back to the homestead, grab a beer and watch Ian Book put the whooping on USC. That's the plan. I'll say this much, going to the full face helmet, which I just hate. This isn't too bad when it's colder outside like this. At least I'm warm. But I do like having the wind in my face. Mom, I'm home. See ya. Okay, well there you have it. That's the first test run with the helmet setup and the GoPro. Got a little bit of work to do, I think, on the microphone. I might even try and tuck it back inside the foam padding, see if I can maybe do some stitching and put the microphone right inside the jaw pad. We'll find out. Mostly anybody that's watching this video at this point are just some friends and people I ride with and stuff. So here's the plan. So I bought the stuff to expand on video. I'm going to have additional cameras mounted on the camera, both facing forward and back, as well as the one on my noggin. And so now that I can record the audio in there, looking forward to showing you guys some different places that we ride here in Northern California and actually all over. Me and my buddies, we go on a lot of great rides and just anxious to share that, guys, with all you. So more videos to come. This is just our first test run. I'll talk to you guys later.